Hey guys! Kenny here and welcome back. Today sa video na to, ang gagawin natin is susubukan natin yung bagong collab ni Letisha. And this time, yung brand naman nakakollab ni Letisha is FRIDA Cosmetics. So, naglabas sila ng tatlong lipsticks or semi-matte multi-paint. Basically, multi-purpose product siya. Yung pwede nyo gamitin sa eyes, lips, and cheeks. And ayun guys, today itatest natin and titignan natin kung worth it ba siya and maganda yung quality. Basahin muna natin yung info about the collection bago natin iswatch. And sabi dito, this multi-use paints are weightless, blendable, and gives a flawless and highly pigmented... Wait, parang gulo, wait lang. These multi-use paints are weightless, blendable, that gives a flawless and highly pigmented color payoff, good for any day and occasions. The products are infused with vitamin E, rosehip oil, and hyaluronic acid for long-term application and nourishment of your lips. So, yun po yung nakasulat. And to make it short, yung claims is it's easy to glide, non-drying, and leaves a semi-matte finish. Product is, of course, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and 24 months after opening yung expiration. In fairness, may paano siya, oh. Nakalimutan ko yung tawag sa ganito. Yung sa mga K-pop, sa mga idols, gano'n, diba? Yung mga card. Ayan guys, ito yung mga kasamang photo card. Ayun pala yung tawag. Maganda siya, especially kung love nyo si Letisha and gusto nyo ng parang souvenir. This one, oh. Tapos ito pa guys, may kasama pang isang photo, but I believe this one sa PR siya, kaya meron. But I'm not sure din ha. Packaging looks like this, and for me, okay siya. I like it. And in fairness naman guys, may budget kasi hindi sticker yung pangalan ni Letisha. May iba kasing mga diba, lipstick brands or product na sticker lang yung nakalagay. But this one hindi. Naka-print talaga siya kaya hindi siya nabubura. I like it. Maganda yung packaging niya. Tapos meron din siyang sticker kaya alam nyo talaga na secured and hindi pa nagagamit kasi sealed siya. Tapos ganito yung applicator niya guys. Standard lang siya na doe foot and actually nice naman yung size niya. Sakto lang. When it comes to smell, wait. Amin mo. Amoy wax. Hindi ko sure kung ako lang ha, pero feeling ko naman tama yung pang-amoy ko. Parang medyo amoy wax siya, amoy candle na, alam niyo yun, yung wax ng candle? Parang gano'n, pero hindi naman siya yung mabaho or masakit sa ilong, okay lang. Again, tatlong shades yung meron guys. And yung first one is called Leti. Ayan siya. And yung description nila dito guys sa color is a natural color, whether you're going for a no makeup look or a dark smoky eye. And actually nice siya, gusto ko yung kulay niya. Tapos yung second shade naman is called Sha. Nakakatawa kasi pangalan niya, LETISHA VELASCO. And ito naman yung shade na Sha. Chocolate brown siya. And dito naman sa isang to guys, yung description nila is a deep chocolate brown shade, 90s vibe, sophisticated on some, and flattering vampy to others. And yung final shade is called Velasco, of course, yung surname ni Letisha. Again, this one is Velasco, and yung description nila sa shade is a burnt red shade. Rich in pigment that looks stunning in all skin tones. Gamitin na natin siya sa lips, and ang gagawin ko guys is blotted muna, then after that, full on ko siya. Para makita nyo yung difference and yung versatility ng product. Kasi diba, yung iba naman hindi full on maglagay. And may mga nagre-request kasi sa akin palagi na ganun kapag ka lip swatches na gawin ko munang blotted or faded, then after nun tsaka siya full on. Kaya gawin natin today. Ang subukan muna natin is si Leti. This is how the shade Leti looks like sa aking lips and I love it guys. Very MLBB siya. Parang in-enhance niya yung redness ng lips. Ganun yung vibes na binibigay. When it comes sa formula, it is very lightweight. It doesn't feel sticky at all. Very comfortable sa lips. Yun nga lang na pag-apply ko sa kanya, parang may na-taste ako na medyo sweet. Ayun, meron siyang parang taste dahil sa scent. Sobrang perfect na to for everyday. And tignan natin kung may transfer. Halos wala. In fairness sa formula. Tapos konting-konti lang yung ginamit ko pero nagawa niya ng reddish yung kulay ng lips ko. Kapag kinakapalan guys, medyo umi-intense yung lasa. Sana mawala din agad. I don't know. Eto naman siya kapag full on sa lips and in fairness, it feels lightweight pa din kahit sa buong lips na natin nilagay. It doesn't feel drying at all. Tapos kahit i-press yung lips, hindi siya nagka-crumble or parang nagpa-patchy. Medyo na-off lang ako kasi kapag ina-apply siya since strong yung kanyang scent. Or hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-describe. Kasi diba sabi ko kanina parang amoy wax siya. But once you apply it sa lips, may malalasahan kayo na something eh. Dahil siguro sa fragrance, kaya parang may nai-inhale ka na taste. And medyo nafe-feel ko pa siya ngayon. Unlike kanina na nung light lang. I-kiss test ulit natin. And ayan, dito naman guys, meron na siyang transfer but very minimal lang. And when you look at your lips, ayan, maganda pa din siya. Okay na okay to if you have dry lips guys. Kasi ako, I have dry lips but I don't feel any parang, nagda-dry or sinasak yung moisture. Ito namang shade na siya yung subukan natin this time and nakaka-excite kasi ang ganda ng formula, I swear. Hindi ko kasi tinataasan yung expectations ko pagdating sa mga ganito guys because of course, I don't want to get disappointed. But so far, so good. Nalalasahan ko talaga yung matamis na ewan. It doesn't look even. Again, same yung formula, very lightweight. But this one lang, parang medyo patchy siya kapag naka-blotted. Medyo nakakaloka lang talaga guys kapag ina-apply siya. Kasi may malalasahan kang something. This one is patchy, feeling ko. Ito naman yung shade na siya kapag nakalagay na sa lips, and personally for me, I'm not the biggest fan. Unang reason is because it's patchy. Kita nyo naman, di ba? 2 layers na to guys, but may nagpipick through pang parts and hindi siya even tignan. Hindi siya bagay sa akin. Of course, personal preference lang, so ayun po. Panigurado may ano na naman tatalak But of course, I'm sure naman na may mga taong mahilig sa ganitong shade, and kung gusto niyo yung ganitong shade, go ahead, bilhin nyo. Tsaka what happens is kapag pinapatungan siya, parang nagbo-move yung product. Kaya ayun, for me, this one is just okay. But formula-wise, I don't have any complaints. Sobrang comfortable niya talaga sa lips. Also guys, ano nga lang pala update, hindi rin siya nagsistain sa lips. And to be honest, I don't mind, especially dun sa kulay na yon. Kasi di ba kapag nag-stain siya, parang brownish. Kung pink, okay lang mag-stain, but yung mga ganong shades, no. Final shade na susubukan natin is Velasco, and this one is a classic red shade na perfect for any skin type, according sa description. Velasco looks like this on the lips kapag blotted, and for me personally, I like it kasi sobrang classic nung kulay niya. It's very safe as well. I mean, ito yung shade na kapag binili nyo, alam nyo magagamit nyo. Perfect for everyday, pwedeng-pwede nyo gamitin pag date night, for events, for formal events, mga ganon. Kaya panigurado, ito yung klase ng shade na talagang magiging gamit na gamit sa inyo kapag binili nyo. Wala siyang pinipiling kulay ng balat, and diba, ang lakas fresh ng kulay. This is Velasco kapag full on sa lips, and look at that, diba? Sobrang rich ng pigment. And one dip lang to na-cover na yung buong lips. And hindi siya patchy, unlike doon sa shade na siya. I like this one, maganda yung pagka-red niya. It's not too bright, it's not too deep. Formula, very consistent naman guys. Same sa dalawang nauna. It's very comfortable sa lips, very lightweight. And eto nga, diba? Sobrang nice kasi you don't need to apply a lot. As in, hindi nyo kailangan magpabalik-balik ng wand. Unfortunately, hindi ko na masusubukan sa cheeks itong product na to guys kasi nakapag-foundation na ako and powder. Kaya siguro ang gawin natin is mag-swatch na lang tayo ng isang shade sa likod ng kamay ko. Para lang din ma-feel natin yung niya, texture and feeling kung gagamiting blush. And yung shade na napili ko is Leti. Ayan guys, konti lang yun nilagay ko. And let's blend it. Medyo siya ha? Thick ng konti kapag ganito. Or marami lang siya. And you don't need a lot. As in, parang tuldok lang siguro isang cheek na yon. Halos buong kamay ko na cover ko. Tapos, yung feeling niya kapag bine-blend is parang nagiging velvety na powder. Which is nice kasi diba kapag nilagay sa cheeks, it doesn't look flat. Medyo may konting glow na ibibigay. Okay siya, mabilis siya i-blend. Tapos hindi malagkit at all. And that's it guys. Ayun yung complete swatches ng bagong collaboration ng Letisha, and final verdict ko, I like this one. Again, yung unang claim nila is it's highly pigmented. Totoo naman, very pigmented siya. Number 2 is, it is easy to glide, which is true as well. Third product claim is non-drying, and totoo din siya guys, kasi I have dry lips, kaya I can attest kung dry talaga yung product, kasi mafe-feel ko siya Pero never ko siyang na-feel dito guys, kaya maire-recommend ko talaga to if you have dry lips, okay na okay siya. And yung last is, it leaves a semi-matte finish. Totoo naman guys, kasi diba, when you look at the lips, or my lips, para siyang velvety, ganon. Very healthy tignan yung lips and hindi dry. Anyway, ayun lamang po guys. Hopefully, nagustuhan niyo yung video natin today, and sana din, nakatulong yung swatches na pinakita ko sa bagong lipsticks na Letisha. Of course, if you guys enjoyed watching, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Stay safe. And I hope to see all of you again on my next one.